Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got another video for you guys today. We're going to be doing another repair. We got this M4 Pro MacBook. It's a 2024 MacBook. It's a 14-inch, very nice model, and it's in here for repair. Customer said they spilled something on it, and now it's not powering on. We've been seeing a lot of newer Macs be coming in here for all liquid spill repairs. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at it, see what's going on. Let's plug it in. Let's see what we're getting here. See what we're going to use our USB-C tester to test it, and we're getting about 5 volts, which is very low, and very low amps. It's a current. It's stuck, looks like 0.24. Now, since this is a MacBook, you need 20 volts. We don't need 5 volts. So let's see what's going on. All right, pop it up. Let's see. So we got the board out, and we can see damage there. I also did notice that there's damage on the other side. That's your power management unit. Look under the microscope and take a look at it further. And we have it up. So let's switch to it. It doesn't look like there's any real impact to components, so we can just clean this up. As far as the board goes, all right, that's cleaned up. Let's go flip it over. Let's take a look. All right, when we flip it over, we see there's impact to our power management unit, and we see some of the pads look to be a little bit damaged, like under here. So we would need to at least just remove it. It doesn't look too bad here. Okay, so we cleaned it, and we also do see that there is a cap here that's damaged. It looks blown. You can see it's kind of like rusted on the other side. You can't really see it. And then we also have the pad looks to be totally gone here, because you can see part of the board. And then we have, is this dirt or what is this? So this area could just be part of like a palm rest, because you see this little sticky over here. That could be that palm rest is sticky because there's some sticky components, right? And we could just kind of do like a reflow for some of this area, because it's not like ridiculously terrible, but this one looks a little bit embered. Right, it looks a little bit damaged. So we'll go ahead and take out a few here. And yeah, look at that. Look how nasty that one is. It's like completely burned. Looks really bad. Flood it. Flux everywhere, we'll clean it. Yeah. See, there's a little trail over here. We're gonna follow this, right? We're gonna follow the trail. Let's see where it goes. And oh man, we got some caps over here. Look, don't look too bad. We could probably just do a little cleanup. Make sure we clean all this area up. It's already looks clean, even without doing much. All right, let's plug it in. We're getting our 20 volts now. All right, so let's plug it in. See if we got our light. Yes, we do. And we got Apple logo. Yeah. And power's on. M4 Pro MacBook fixed. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on doing the repair for the M4 Pro MacBook. We fixed it, there's a liquid spill. We do MacBook repairs, guys. If you guys are interested in sending in your MacBook, we do all type of MacBook repairs. We got liquid spills like the newer models on this one, this M4 Pro. If you have an M5 that you want to send in, we can do that one as well. I hope not if you already spilled something on it, oh man. We also do data recovery services for Macs. If you guys are interested, check the links in the description down below for how you can send in your Mac today, because we'll love to help you guys out, love to do a repair for you, love to get you guys back in business. Leave that like. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.